In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unhelpful suggested files in Google Drive on a computer. This is perfect if your home view feels cluttered with documents you don't need to see up front. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up the suggested files section without deleting or changing any actual files. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drivegoogle.com. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Any modern browser works. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles, so the suggestions you remove apply to the right place. Once you are in Google Drive, look to the left sidebar and click Home. This view is designed to surface items Google thinks you might want quick access to, based on your activity. At the top of the main window, you'll see the Suggested Files section. These are not separate copies of your files. They're shortcuts meant to speed things up. If some of them aren't helpful, you can hide them from this area. Find a file in the suggested section that you don't want to see. Hover your mouse over it, either on the thumbnail or the row, until you see the three-dot icon, sometimes labeled More Actions. Click that three-dot menu. From the list that appears, choose Not a Helpful Suggestion. The moment you select that option, the file will disappear from the Suggested Files section. A quick note here: using Not a Helpful Suggestion does not delete the file, remove your access, or change sharing for anyone else. It simply tells Google Drive not to keep surfacing that item in your suggested area. You can still find the file in My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent Activity, or by using the search bar at the top. If you don't see the Home option or the Suggested section, make sure your window is wide enough so the layout isn't condensed. You can also refresh the page or check that you're on the Home view, not My Drive. Repeat the same hover and three-dot method for any other suggestions you want to hide. Over time, this helps Google Drive learn what's useful to you and keeps your home view focused on what matters. That's how you remove unhelpful suggested files in Google Drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.